take apart the cable track, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver that you will then place into the 2 holes on the top of the cable track face, pry backwards, and lift the remaining portion off with your hands. In order to place the cable track back together, you're going to need that same piece of cable track face. Place it onto one side of the 2 supports that lock it into place. Use a quick clamp and apply pressure to the opposite end until it snaps into place. We're going to go ahead and do that again. Take the face, place it over the 2 supports on one side. Notice that it seats into place when you do so. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as to break the clip. There we go. Locks into place. And there you go. That's how you put together and take apart a cable track.